Replace your cracked or broken driver's side mirror glass without the high cost of dealer parts with this high-quality OEM replacement mirror for Chrysler Town and Country, Grand Caravan, CV. Designed to fit seamlessly and function just like the original, this mirror glass comes with a backing plate and heating capability to clear ice, snow, and fog, ensuring excellent visibility in all weather conditions. It's specifically designed for vehicles without a turn signal, measuring 6 1/16 by 6 3/4 by 8. This driver's side mirror glass comes with step-by-step instructions for an easy installation process, making it simple even for a DIYer. One reviewer shared that their 15-year-old successfully installed the mirror, demonstrating just how straightforward the process is. The mirror replacement was done after a motorcyclist unexpectedly hit the old one while passing at high speed. Thankfully, only the mirror glass was damaged, and the reviewer was impressed with how easily it could be replaced. They were also grateful that the motorcyclist remained safe, emphasizing the importance of safety when driving or riding at high speeds. The included wiring harness makes it easy to plug the new mirror into the existing system, ensuring a secure fit. The high-temp, durable materials are built to last, and the heated function will provide much-needed clarity during cold months. Replacing the mirror glass is a great way to restore your vehicle's functionality without spending a fortune at the dealership. Click the link in the description to purchase the driver's side heated mirror glass today and enjoy easy installation and improved safety on the road. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great products designed to keep your vehicle in top condition.